National Campaign for Financial Literacy. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. I created this video because I believe in the importance of financial literacy. Sabi nga, most people work hard for money, but few know how to make money work for them. Marami namang masipag magtrabaho, madalas overtime pa nga. At marami sa Pinoy, OFW. Pinili nating malayo sa pamilya para kumita ng mas maganda. Now, what's the missing link? Financial education. Nobody teaches us how to manage our money in school. Natutunan ko sa financial class, if you don't want to work all your life, you have to learn how money works. If you don't know how money works, money will never work for you. Kaya invest on financial education. Paano kung mawalan ka ng trabaho? Paano pag huminto ka na magtrabaho nang 50 years old ka na? Pwedeng di ka na matanggap sa trabaho dahil matanda ka na at physically, hindi mo na kaya magtrabaho. Paano kung mabuhay ka pa hanggang 70? Saan ka kukuha ng panggastos mo for the next 20 years? Kaya financial literacy is very important. Not just for you, but for your family also. Understanding how money works is part of taking care of your family. We have launched financial classes in IMG. Would you like to become one of our students? In Financial Class 1, you will learn about how to increase your cash flow and debt management. In Class 2, you will learn how to build a strong financial foundation and proper protection. In Class 3, you will learn how to start building your wealth and asset accumulation. In Class 4, we will help you plan for your retirement and you will learn wealth preservation. And in Class 5, you will learn how you can build a business in financial industry. Why invest on financial education? Because financial security is not a dream. It is a priority. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. Mahirap mamasukan araw-araw. Mahirap pag walang ipon. Mas mahirap ang malubog sa utang. So invest on financial education. Learning fee is 3,700. If you want to know more, we are conducting free Building Your Future seminar in Makati and Cebu. For those located in provinces and abroad, we are conducting webinar. Please visit www.1millionclub.com. You may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. I hope to see you soon in our financial classes. Be part of our national campaign for financial literacy.